Hello everyone, welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term book, page number 157, lesson number 5, birds of a feather friends. So children, let's start. Birds are the only animals with the feathers. Birds have some special features that help them to fly. Birds in general have a beak, two wings, two legs, and their body is covered with the feather. Birds have one beak, two wings, two legs, and body covered with the feathers. They have both shaped body, and this helps them to move easily, cutting through the air. The body of birds very light. The body of birds are very light as their bones are hollow. They have wings instead of arms. Their wings are attached to the strong muscle in the chest, and this muscle help in the flapping the wings while they are flying. This muscle helps the birds flying, and the bird's tail helps to change the direction during the flight. Okay, student, what is the birds have a beak, two wings, two legs covered with the feathers at the boat shaped body, and they have very easy cutting through the air. The body of birds is a very light. Their bones are hollow. They have wings instead of arms, and this wing attached with the strong muscle in the chest, and this muscle have to flopping in the flying. A bird has three kinds of feather. How many kinds of feather? The birds have three kinds: down feathers, body feathers, and flight feather. These are soft feathers covering the whole body. They keep the bird's body warm. Down feathers are very soft and covering the whole body. The bird's body keep them warm. The body feathers, these feathers give the shape and color to the birds. And third, flight feathers. These feathers are seen on the wings and tail. They help the birds in the flying. Down feather, body feather, and flight feathers. Understood, children? Come to the next page, page number 158. What do birds eat? So children, let's start. Birds do not have teeth. Instead, they have a beak that helps them in feeding. The type of the food bird eats depend on the shape of its beak. So children, birds do not have a teeth. Instead of they have beak. So children, these beak helps them to feed. This type of food birds eat depends on the shape of its beak. Sparrow and pigeon have a short, hard, and pointed beak. It helps them to pick up and crush the grain. Sparrow and pigeon have a short and hard pointed beak. So children, they pick up and crush the grains. A parrot has a short covered beak. It helps the parrot to crack open the nuts and also scoop out the fruit pulp. Parrot has a short covered beak. So children, the parrot what the crack open first parrot open the nuts and then they eat. And the woodpeckers have a chisel shaped strong beak. Woodkeepers have a chisel shaped strong beak, and they make holes in the tree trunks and catch insects from there. Woodpecker, they catch insects from their trunks, and they also take in the tree sap with their tongues. A hummingbird has a thin, long pointed beak. Hummingbird has thin, long pointed beak. It hovers above the flowers and dips its long beak into it. It sucks nectar from the flower even without landing on it. Hummingbird can fly backward. Hummingbird can fly backward also. And duck have a broad, flat beak with some tiny holes on both sides. Ducks have a broad, flat beak. So the some tiny holes both sides. When the ducks take the gulp of water, small fish, insects, worms, and smells plants, they stay inside its beak, and the water flows out through the holes. So children understood there are different types of feathers and what they eat. Different and birds they eat, and different types of depend upon the shape of beaks. So children, come to the next page, page number 159. Eagle, hawks, and vultures have a sharp, hooked, and strong beak. It helps them kill the prey and tear the flesh. They feed on rats, birds, snakes, frogs, etc. Kingfisher and storks have a long, broad, and pointed beak. It helps them to easily pick up fish from water with this. Yes, understood, children? In the next class, what we do, we will start feed claws of birds. Thank you.